Hi, and welcome to the Writing and Communication Center's virtual platform. Today, we will be showing you how to make a synchronous virtual appointment so you can get the help of the Writing Center in real time with live one-on-one appointments as if we were still on campus. First, we are going to go to the My Stevens homepage and scroll down until we see the link for the Writing and Communication Center. Clicking on this link will take you to our homepage where you can schedule an appointment, access our online resources, and browse the upcoming workshops we will be hosting online. To begin making an appointment, simply click Schedule an Appointment. This link will take you to a weekly calendar view of our online scheduler. Appointments are scheduled for an hour long and can either be a live one-on-one session or a simple file upload which our consultants will provide feedback on. Any red blocks on the schedule are reserved appointment times, while any white blocks are available appointment times. Click on a white box to reserve your time and make an appointment. Today, we're going to show you how to make a new synchronous appointment with our new platform. The information about our appointment formats are available on this page in more detail. Simply select the type of appointment you would like to make today. Once you've chosen the type of appointment you want, just fill out the rest of the appointment information as you normally would. For the purposes of this exercise, we will just fill in the required fields, but please take the time to do this thoroughly so we know how to best address what you would like to work on in your appointment. And don't forget to upload the file you would like to be reviewed. Without the document, we won't be able to provide the feedback and help you deserve. Today, we made a new synchronous appointment, which can be confirmed on your appointment window. To access the live meeting, simply click Start or Join Online Consultation. This window can be accessed at any time by simply clicking on your reserved appointment slot, seen here. Now, let's check out the new platform. The platform will always prompt you to enable video and microphone access. Even if you click Allow, you'll always have the choice to either enable or disable audio and video features from the top left corner of the screen, as seen here. Let's go ahead and turn off video and audio for the time being. If you don't want to use the audio or video features, you can use the chat window on the right to talk with your consultant and get feedback in real time. Now that we've gone over the different ways of communicating with our consultants, let's look at how you can work collaboratively to review your documents just as though you were in the Writing and Communication Center. The middle area here serves as a shared workspace for you and the consultant to edit a document or copy and paste changes live with one another. Simply type your thoughts, highlight changes, or make corrections to your work as necessary. It is important to note that this platform is an additional resource and the work done during your consultation, including the chat transcript and document, will be accessible after your session for personal reference. At any time, you can import text documents into the workspace or export the current workspace using the ImportExport button shown as two arrows in the top right corner of the screen. Let's go ahead and import one of the resources from the Writing and Communication Center's website. This one's about writing stronger paragraphs. As you can see, we hit Import and the text uploads into the workspace with the basic formatting so both the consultant and you can see it at the same time. To get more comfortable with the platform, feel free to play around with the different features by accessing your session early. This provides a safe place for you to familiarize yourself with the program before working with one of our consultants. With all that being said, this concludes the introduction to our new synchronous appointment service. Thank you for watching this video. We are excited to use this new platform to provide personal one-on-one appointments just as we did on campus. Don't forget to check our website for additional resources and workshops that will still be made available by visiting my.stevens.edu/writing and follow us on Instagram @StevensWriting for more updates on how we will be offering services throughout the semester.